What's up everyone? So for today we will be unboxing this brand new 2022-2023 Panini Mosaic featuring Paolo Banchero on the cover. So this box contains 36 cards, 6 packs, 6 cards per pack. So what we're looking for is the ultra rare Mosaic Genesis Prisms. So without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. So again, 6 packs per box, 6 cards per pack. So let's start ripping this, guys. First pack. Number 1, Dame Lillard. Tim Hardaway Jr. Scotty Barnes. Cam Reddish. And we have our first insert green. Is this a rookie? No, it's not. Ja Morant. Thunder Road. And then for our silver, Devin Booker. And then another Thunder Road, Zion Williamson. So far, so good. Let's open second pack. Austin Reeves, Nicholas Claxton, Christian Wood, Darius Garland, and then we have Scotty Barnes. Nice. Elevate. Then insert. Rookie. It's a rookie. Andrew Nemhard from the Indiana Pacers. Third pack. First card, Andrew Wiggins, Franz Wagner, Carl Anthony Towns, DeAndre Melton, Reggie Bullock. Nice rookie card from the New Jersey Nets. Another insert, RJ Barrett. We're halfway done. Off to our fourth pack. Malik Beasley, Reggie Jackson, Jamal Murray, Zubac. For a silver, is it a rookie? Nope. James Harden. And LeBron James, Elevate. Nice one. Fifth pack. Highland, Devontae Graham, Jeremy Grant, Tyler Hero. Let's go with our insert. Is this a rookie? Nope. Domantas Sabonis, Elevate. And for the next card, Alvarado. Okay, let's move on to our last pack. Jaren Jackson Jr., Jaden McDaniels, Scotty Barnes again, Cam Reddish, Dalen Terry, and for our last insert, Markel Fultz. Nice. So that's all for us today, guys. So if you want to avail one, just go to our official store. We're also available on Shopee and Lazada. And again, don't forget to avail our premium card accessories. We have the premium top loaders diamond clear edition, and we have the royal clear edition. Thanks everyone. Until next time.